Hello fellow traders, this is Paul Lemel, Big Kahuna Trading Club. Got a decent looking stock here, CRWD. This one is actually holding up pretty decent despite a pretty rocky day in the market caused by, you may have heard of this, the Chinese app called DeepSeek. Got a lot of the semiconductor stocks concerned, especially Nvidia, and pretty good market shakeout, especially on the SPY QQQ today. And affected nuclear energy stocks, data center stocks, quantum computing stocks, etc. So it was a pretty ugly open. Did recover later in the day, but definitely a sketchy market right now. But before we get into that, before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. It really helps us reach more traders like you and keeps you updated on our latest trading tips. Now, breaking down the cup cycles, this is a long-term channel, TM-7 channel right now. But we're basically coming out of CAT-3, or at least getting close to coming out of CAT-3, TM-3 cycle. The shakeout from that July 2024 high. As you can see, the cycle's TM1, it's 1.5 month, TM2, 3.5 month, and then the TM3, the 5 to 7 months. So you get the breakout of that little internal trend line spike and came back and retested. So far it's holding. Now, as far as inside the cup, the psychological price point $200 PPP held. That was the initial support down there, and so we got a breakout currently of the 350 psychological price point. You can see right here in the pullback from that spike up there, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. So you can see, if you're looking at the wave action coming into those PPP zones, where price might be finding support right at the 75 MA here. So looks like we're gonna get resolution probably northward, but you know, we're kind of in a sketchy market right now, so you got to be careful. Anything can happen. Could also go down deeper to another lower moving average, 200 MA, but acting pretty good up here. So I suspect we'll probably be holding above that 350 PPP now. And definitely a buy above here. You'd scale in right there, scale in right there, or scale in above these highs right here. If you're unfamiliar with any of the trading terms I'm using, you can find our club lingo at bigkahunatradingclub.club/lingo. Now, drilling back down at the long-term channel, just so you can get a picture of how these channels work, these cycles, you get the big initial breakout off of the IPO back in 2020, 2021. Formed that peak there in actually late 2021, and then you had a TM5 cycle pullback. Normally your cycles coming out of an IPO pullback, generally a TM5 or the TY1. Let's see where the TY1 is. Right, TY1 is about right there. So it's actually TM5 and TM, yeah, it's just a little bit over TM5 right there, and TY1. So it's right in that IPO cycle breakout range where you normally expect it. So you get the channel forming. Again, this is a long-term channel. This has been going on for about 3 years now. Inside of that upward channel, between 175 and 400. But very good price action, and this looks like it's going to continue up pretty soon. And look at the lead-in BMI coming off the channel lows. You got about 250%, and despite that big deep shakeout, we actually recovered pretty quickly in that 5 to 7 month cycle. So does look like it's strong enough to do some major follow through on it. And again, if this 350 PPP holds, this one could be off to the races. If you're interested in our trading style and want to join the club or get one-on-one coaching, head over to cycletradingtraining.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.